With circular and rectangular ceiling rafts, it can be a challenge to correctly position the spiral anchors on the ceiling raft for the hangers. The supplied template for the suspension points of TOPIQ Sonic element ceiling rafts from Knauf AMF offers safe and simple help with this task. The template and the ceiling raft can be removed from the packaging. With the face side down, it's placed on a flat surface. Please ensure the surface is completely clean to avoid marking the ceiling raft. For circular rafts, the fixing points of spiral anchors are determined as follows. Place the corners of the template marked with arrows on the edge of the ceiling raft. Look for the pre-punched hole next to which the diameter of the raft is printed. This is the center of the ceiling absorber to be marked with a pen. The central mark of the template is laid on the center of the ceiling raft. The fixing points can now be easily determined. The holes are pre-punched depending on the diameter of the raft. The points should again be marked. The template can then be removed. The spiral anchors are then screwed in at the determined points. Please ensure they're screwed to the correct depth. For rectangular rafts, the printed table on the template is used to determine the suspension points. Based on the size of the ceiling raft, value B can be taken from the table. On one corner of the template is a scale. Place this area of the template on a corner of the ceiling raft. Find the pre-punched hole next to which the previously determined value B can be found and mark the raft. This process must be repeated in the remaining corners. Now the spiral anchors for the hangers can be screwed in at the marked points. There is nothing to stand in the way of a professionally installed ceiling raft. You can find detailed installation instructions and further information online at www.knaufamf.com.